What's the meaning of aerostat? Aerostat. 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 An aerostat is a type of aircraft that relies on buoyancy to stay aloft. Unlike airplanes, aerostats do not have engines and are instead filled with a gas that is lighter than air, such as helium or hydrogen. Examples of aerostats include balloons, blimps, and dirigibles. These vehicles are often used for scientific research, surveillance, advertising, and even tourism. Because they can remain airborne for long periods of time and cover large distances, aerostats have proven to be valuable tools across various industries.